turn that off. Okay, we'll try this again. Well, now somebody's scratching at the door. They want out. In, out, in, out. Come on. Can't go in or out without these guys following me. Anyway, nice day here in central Iowa. Well, all things considered, it's a nice day. The sun's out, wind's not blowing too hard. Not as cold as it has been. Right now, it's probably upper 30s to around 40, something like that. We are not in the field disc ripping today because the ground's froze and it's too hard on the disc blades on the disc ripper. Dad's gonna try going out here in a couple hours and see if it'll go. I kind of have my doubts, and if not, then should be able to go tomorrow. It's supposed to be up in the, I think, middle to upper 40s tomorrow. So anyway, we'll get back in the shop here. And first things first here, this is the latest design on the latest sweatshirt. I haven't got one of these yet myself, so I thought I should, and it just arrived. So we'll see it together. There's the front. This has the Fox Shop logo, which the writing is in black and on a dark navy shirt. Doesn't show up real good, but that's okay. And then there's the back. I like it. And I believe under all my videos now there's a link for t-shirts and hoodies, that type of thing. And down in the description there is a link for channel stickers. Speaking of which, if you recently ordered a channel sticker, they were delayed a little bit. I explained that in a previous video. I just didn't have time to do it, and then I had to go and get more stamps. But they did get sent out. It's been a couple days now, at least 2-3 days. They're on their way. Also an address down there where you can send anything into the Fox Shop, including license plates for the license plate wall. Address down in the description. And now, after a shameless merch plug, on with the video. Well, look, I did something to the Bronco. Yeah, it's been a while since I've done anything to the Bronco, and I think it's time to get back on it. And I am going to get started here shortly. I still have one patch to put in over there, which I thought I did, but I think I have it cut out. I just haven't put it in. And I'm going to get started welding all these patches in completely. Would not make a real interesting video, and it's going to take quite a bit of time to do it. But I'm going to do that. First thing I need to do is I need to change clothes. Don't want to put any burn holes in this sweatshirt or the pants that I have on or the shoes that I'm wearing. And it's getting to be about that time. I'm going to have to go get my daughter here pretty soon. But when I get back, I'm going to get the welder all set up and I'm going to get to welding. And then once I have all those patches welded in, then we're going to come back here. We're going to cut this piece of crap out. We'll have to MacGyver something together on this rear sill back here. I think we can make something work. And I'm afraid before I get done welding, I may have to go get a new tank of gas. But been a lot of people wanting me to get back on the Bronco. I've been wanting to get back on the Bronco, just too many other things going on. And on top of it, no, welding these patches in, not something I'm really looking forward to. But it has to be done. Just got back from picking the kid up from school, having myself a little supper. Most nutritious. And gonna get to work on this. I don't think those are right. I think I welded on something after I was welding on this. I think I might have them written down. No, maybe 310 and 14. Might be. We're gonna give that a shot. Can't remember what it was that I was welding, but it seems like I did a little bit of something. 14. There we go. We'll give that a try. We're darn near empty. Although the last time I thought that, kept welding for quite a while, so I'm gonna run the tank out. Wouldn't be surprised, tomorrow I'm gonna have to go get a new tank. Don't really want to do that. Good morning. And yes, it's morning. Got my coffee. Went up to the house last night, didn't get this video finished, but I got that patch in, and I know it's not the prettiest thing in the world, but it doesn't need to be. This is all gonna be covered up as long as it's solid. And I checked it right before I quit last night. I think there's 3 little pinholes. And the way you can check for that is you just take a light, shine it up from underneath, and I'm not sure if you can see it or not. There's a pinhole up there. There's another one right down there. And another one, I think there's another one here somewhere. Yep, there's one up here. So 3 more little spot welds, that'll be done. Tank of gas is pretty much gone. I might be able to get one more in. I kind of doubt it. One more patch in. But I'm not going to show all this. It is monotonous. It is slow. I'm going to spend a lot of time doing this, and I'm not going to make 2 or 3 videos on welding these in, kind of like I did with the floor, which I thought was rather monotonous. So I'm going to keep working on welding all these patches in, get that all done. Hopefully in my next video that will all be finished, and then we can tackle this rear sill back here that still not sure what I'm going to do with. One thing I did use last night was this copper spoon. I think that's what they're called. And I tell you what, that was worth every penny. I've had it for a long time, never really used it, but there was a big gap. There's a pretty big gap down in here, and if I held this up on the back side of that and welded on this side, that I really didn't have much trouble closing that up at all. Also thinking I may need to get more sanding discs. Yeah, not a whole lot of those left. Probably enough to get that done though. So guys, like I said, I'm going to finish this up. I'm going to try to get it all done here in the next day or 2. Move on to the rear sill, and then we can start doing quarter panels. And it will start being a little more fun. This isn't fun. This is the rotten part. But it all needs to be done. It's 8:30 in the morning. I got to run over to the bin site and meet my dad over there here in just a little bit. May go get another tank of welding gas. Today I need to get this video edited and uploaded, so I need to get going. I know it's been like a week since I've uploaded a video. Kind of took a little unintentional break from YouTube, I guess. A week goes by pretty fast. But gonna try to get some Bronco videos up on a regular basis now. So give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll catch you next time. Bye-bye.